We're now going to talk about another way to import contacts into the KW command system. If you click on your name in the upper right-hand corner, you are then able to navigate to your command settings. When your settings load, you'll notice a number of third-party applications you can connect to your command system. We'll scroll past our social and productivity down to our productivity section, and today we're going to focus on Piesync. Piesync is a third-party vendor contracted by KW to provide this service to agents. Simply click on Connect Account, sign into Piesync, and you can use your kw.com email address, which is also a Google ID, to log in. Once logged in, you'll see a list of all of the different connections that Piesync can make. What it can simply do through a connection is to take information from one contact on one platform and electronically move it over to another platform so you can have that contact's information on another platform. In this case, let's connect up Google Contacts along with KW Command. Google Contacts came up first. It was easy to find. I'm going to use the search bar to search for KW Command. What I need to do next is select which account and authorize them. So I'm going to use kwin at kw.com, and it's going to be the same here. Our next step, once we've selected which accounts to connect, is that we need to configure the sync or the connection between Google Contacts and KW Command. You have the option of clicking this arrow and creating a one-way sync from Google Contacts to KW Command, leaving the default center arrows selected, which will create a two-way sync between Command and Google Contacts, or selecting the arrow on the right-hand side that's pointing left to create a sync from Command to Google Contacts only. You can edit and add connection rules as well as apply filters here if you wish. You can create other rules as well. Since Command uses email addresses as the identifying characteristic of a contact, you're unable to uncheck the avoiding duplicates, and you're going to be required to only sync contacts who do have an email address with them. We do also want to ensure that we let KW Command's values take precedence, since that is where we're going to be working on these contacts. As we scroll down, we're brought to our field mapping, and this is where the computer has decided that middle name matches with middle name, prefix matches with name prefix, suffix matches with name suffix, and so on and so forth. If you didn't want to use any of these field mapping areas, or what that means is have them imported from one system to another, you'd simply go to the right and use the slider bar to deselect that option. Once the system is configured to your liking, simply click the blue button in the lower right-hand corner, Start Syncing Now. And when you click Start Syncing, Piesync would then create that connection between Command and Google Contacts and bring all of your contacts from Google Contacts who have an email address into your command system.